You have to focus on timing while soloing along the beat. And another thing is that the progression and the timing is not the same thing. Timing is different, progression is different, tempo is different on music. You have to know all these things. That can make you to prove your skill of soloing very perfect. So this type of progression, everybody who can play 1-4-1-5 progression, do fa fa do so can play this song. So the vamping of this music is the same thing. Each chord you play it for. So that is it. Anyone that can play do fa fa do so can play it. Try to watch this video to the end so that you can learn something. I'll teach you everything concerning timing and the progression. I'll teach you everything accordingly. You understand it perfect. Then you can apply such a thing in your own performance. Secondly, if you want to stay updated, you have to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get notification when I upload next video. I'm going to make sure that all the beginners can play on my own limitage. So while running soloing, you can use octave to run it as an effect. You play CC or FF according to the key that you're playing. I hope you can understand the effect now. If you focus on my left hand, the left hand is playing the same thing. Never miss the update, never miss the progression, never miss the timing. The left hand is going smoothly while the right hand is running the whole solo. But before you begin to play perfect tone like this, you have to learn your hand separation. Learn it very well so that your brain will know how to disturb the left hand while you playing the chords multiply. So let us learn it proper. Let us learn the secret there. When I was a beginner, when I was learning the keyboard, this thing called timing is confusing me so much. The extent I did not understand it in time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that the tempo of the song will be going be section. They have 4-beat section, 4-beat section, 16-beat section, 8-beat section, 1-beat section, 1.5, 2. So when they say you can, you are the reason why we are, you are the reason why we are called Jehovah, you are the Most High God. I'm still playing the progression, but this one is 1. So what I can play, you are the reason why we are here, Jehovah, you are the Most High God. This one is 2 now. I can play it 2 and still cover the progression. I can still play, you are the reason why we are here, Jehovah, you are the Most High God. This one is 4 now. You see, you are the reason why we are here, Jehovah, you are the reason why we are here, Jehovah. So this one is 8 now, but I'm still covering the progression. You can still play, you are the reason why we are here, you are the reason why we are here, Jehovah. This one is 16-beat section now. the beat is what you're following. However, the beat, a tempo of beat is going is the way you are going to play along with it. So that is another thing you have to concentrate on. So the tempo of the beat that I used to play this song is going with 4/4, which is so that is why I play. So before you play along the beat, you have to think and know whether the beat is low or higher or speed, whether it is speed or going lower. So that is another thing about soloing effect. And as you are soloing, if you are soloing a beat that goes, "You are the reason why we are here, Jehovah, you are the most high God," you know that when you're soloing, you just try to last like that. So you can solo something like that. So the one that's going to concentrate on the same progression you are playing is your left hand. Your left hand will say, "You are the reason why we are here, Jehovah, you are the most high God." If you are learning if you are learning soloing, you have to play one here so that you can memorize the landing back. But if you try to play along, it might confuse you on coming back. So this is the same thing I'm soloing. There's nothing hard in soloing. Just try to practice. Even me, I'm still learning it. It's not that I'm perfect, but I just want to share some common experience I have with you. So thank you for watching. Just subscribe on this channel for more videos.